Hi friends, today I'm here to share a really amazing milkshake recipe which is made with one of my favorite fruits, which is custard apple. I am making two different versions of this milkshake today, one with ragi milk, I'm using sprouted ragi milk, and the second one is with normal milk and ice cream. The first version is really healthy, it is diabetic friendly and vegan, whereas the second version is really loaded with sugar and ice cream. And I'm sure if you're a sweet tooth, you will love the second version. To start the process, I'm going to take off all the seeds from the custard apple pulp. There is a lot of small seeds. It is very prominent, it's black in color. As you can see, it's very easy to remove the seeds. Alternatively, you can take off the pulp and run it through a strainer and remove the seeds as well. Anyways, make sure you remove all the seeds from the pulp, otherwise the milkshake will turn bitter. Now I'm going to set this aside and start the process of making my ragi milk. As I mentioned, I'm using sprouted ragi for making the milk. If you are interested to see how to sprout ragi, I have another video on that. The link is provided in the description, so please watch it for seeing the process for sprouting. Now I'm going to add half cup of water into this ragi and blend it nicely into a nice paste and extract the milk. I will add more water as I extract the milk. However, I'm adding a little bit water while blending. Put the mixture through a fine strainer and separate the husk and your milk is ready. Make sure you squeeze the milk out completely by pressing the residual with a spoon or something, so you're not wasting any milk. The residual can be used in your idli or dosa batter as well. Now I have kept all the ingredients ready for our milkshake. The main ingredient is of course ragi milk and the custard apple pulp. I'm also using a handful of soaked nuts here. You can use any nuts of your choice as long as it is nicely soaked. I'm using a handful of cashews, almonds and pistachios here. I'm also going to use some crushed ice here. Now I'm going to place all my ingredients into my blender jar. I've already put the custard apple now. I'm adding the ragi milk, which is about 1 cup of ragi milk. Now I'm going to add my soaked cashews along with my soaked almonds, and I'm going to blend it nicely until it becomes a very thick and smooth paste. I'm going to crush this ice cube and keep it ready as well. And the chopped pistachios I'm going to use for garnishing. Now this is nicely blended. As you can see, this is a nice and thick smoothie. I'm going to top this up with some pistachios and crushed ice now, and it is ready to go. You can use any nuts of your choice to top this up with. This is completely optional. Now our vegan version of custard apple milkshake is ready. This is really yummy and I prefer this version. Now for the second version, I'm using double the amount of ingredients as I am making 2 serves. I'm using about 1 cup of custard apple pulp, 2 scoops of ice cream, 250 ml of milk, 2 tablespoons of pistachio slices and 1 tablespoon of sugar. I'm going to add my custard apple pulp into my blender jar now, along with all the other ingredients. I'm adding milk now, along with 1 tablespoon of sugar and 2 scoops of ice cream. I think vanilla ice cream tastes really good in this recipe, but you can use any ice cream of your choice. Now blend this nicely until it is well combined and it becomes a nice and thick smoothie. Now our custard apple milkshake is ready. This is 2 serves. I'm going to garnish this with some ice cubes and pistachio slices, and it is ready to go. If you like this video, please try it yourself and let me know your feedback. Also, if you like my videos, please do not forget to subscribe my channel for more videos. Thanks for watching and see you soon with another video. Bye.